if you see over here, there are two kinds of learning method. One is called supervised learning method, another is called unsupervised. Two main categories. So for the supervised learning method, we have like a tree kind of structure. See, in which we know the outputs, that how many outputs we will be having. Okay, so for example, in this one we know that how many outputs we will have it, but we don't know the values, what will values will come, but the output number of outputs are known. This kind of learning is called what? Supervised learning. But in unsupervised learning, we don't know the number of cluster, how many cluster we will have it. See, sometimes we will have 3 cluster, sometimes we will have 4 cluster, depending on the distances between the different cluster. So sometimes maybe there are some more clients coming here. See, some more clients. So we can merge these 2 clusters at the same time. So it means before was 4 cluster, now it is 3 cluster. So in this case, that is called unsupervised learning over there. So now if you see over here, in the supervised learning, what are the data mining algorithm we have? We have prediction, we have classification and regression. These are the important in this one. Rest are what? Rest are unsupervised, right? So you don't need to learn this one. You just, if you know this one, the rest will be unsupervised over there. So what are the computer algorithms? You don't need to design these algorithms. It's already existing. You can find in the Gaggles or the different Python, you can have it, or in the R language you can have the supervised algorithms. We have classification, regression, ANN means artificial neural network, SVM means support vector machine, and genetic algorithm over there. And then we have decision trees, SVM, rough trees, genetic algorithms, linear regression. So these are all supervised algorithm. Okay, so your thing is to know which algorithm is fit for my data. Sometimes you have a what you call numerical data. So what should I put it? But sometimes you have like a nominal data, or you have ordinal data. So for nominal data you put regression over there, because for the numerical data maybe you put like some other algorithm or some classification on the non-numerical data over there. Now in this one, in the unsupervised learning, we have association. In the association we have a linked list, sequence analysis, and the clustering. So these are the non-unsupervised learning. So in this one we have a priori algorithm, 1R, 0R, eclat, and expectation maximization, a priori algorithm. K-mean is very important for clustering, and expectation maximization. So these are the few examples in supervised learning and unsupervised learning, and also these are the different example of data mining task. So this is called the taxonomy of data mining. Taxonomy means the full knowledge of the data mining. So if you know this thing, so it means you know the data mining, what it is doing.